Lost time is never found again. Time is the one resource we all share equally. No matter who you are, where you're from, or what you've done, you are given 24 hours each day, no more, no less. But what separates the fulfilled from the regretful, the successful from the stagnant, is how those hours are spent. Once a moment passes, it becomes part of history. You can't rewind it, pause it, or retrieve it. Lost time is never found again. Let that truth sink in. Not to scare you, but to wake you up. How many hours have we given to procrastination, to overthinking, to fear? How many days have we wasted waiting for the right time, the perfect moment, or the green light from someone else to start living fully? The harsh truth is, that time is gone. It's not hiding. It's not coming back. But what you do right now, in this exact moment, can define the rest of your story. The past is a teacher, not a prison. Don't let what you didn't do yesterday stop you from doing what you can today. Regret is heavy, but action is light. It lifts you out of stagnation and moves you forward. If there's a dream on your heart, pursue it. If there's a habit holding you back, break it. If there's a relationship that matters, nurture it. If there's a purpose calling your name, answer it. Time doesn't wait. It doesn't care about your excuses, your fears, or your doubts. And that's not cruel. It's fair. Because it means every single person has the same chance to make today count. The difference lies in who chooses to show up. You don't need to do everything today, but you need to do something. Even a small step forward is progress. Momentum builds from motion, not from perfection. So be honest with yourself. Where are you losing time? What distractions are stealing your days? What stories are you telling yourself about why you can't? Then challenge those stories. You are capable of more than you know, but capability means nothing without commitment. Make your time count, because no matter how wealthy, talented, or connected you are, you can never buy back a single wasted hour. Start now, not tomorrow, not later, not when you feel ready. Start. Because lost time is never found again. Hey, this video is for educational purpose for those who want to upgrade their skill. And please tell, how will I help you for Learn English? If you want to learn English in just simple steps, please do subscribe this channel at Grandpa786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.